Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to change a thrust arm of Mercedes-Benz C-Class. Here you can see the bushing is cracked. That way I'm going to replace this thrust arm. So for this job, we need to remove the wheel speed sensor for the steering knuckle. Remove the bolt, and here you can see this wheel speed sensor. Next, we need to clean the thread properly because there is a thread locking paste. If we not clean properly, it will be stuck up, so we need to clean it properly. I'm using WDB, also a steel brush to clean. There is no space also, so we need to clean it carefully. Yeah, it's almost clean. These threads are uh, very clear now. I'm uh, I'm using some engine oil over the thread. So when it the nut when coming up, the thread will get lubrication, so the locking paste will not make any problem. So I'm losing the nut. Nut almost loose now, but I cannot turn through by my hand, so it's loose now. വാട്ട മോനെ വാട്ട മോനെ എന്നിട്ട് വാട്ട കഴിച്ചെടുക്കുന്ന. It's little tight, so I need to use combination again. Yeah, it's now perfect loose, so I can remove by my hand. Yeah, it's completely loose. Now I want to remove the other end bolt, so I'm going for the other end. There is a 21 spanner. I'm using a 21 spanner to hold the other end of the bolt, and one end is a 18 hazard. Here we can use the gun, so it will be easy to remove. I'm using a gun here from the back side and holding other end by using a 21 ring spanner. The bolt fall down. This is a 21 bolt. Now I remove the washer there. Don't forget the washer when you fixing back. Need to turn little because the bolt is tight. Yeah, now the bolt is loose. Now I'm using a screwdriver to take out the radius rod end. Then for removing the thrust arm or radius rod, you need to turn the steering knuckle completely to take this thrust arm out. Now it's stuck there, so I will show you what is the reason of stuck. It's stuck there, so we need to. There is a washer. It is stuck. It is locking there, so we need to hammer the washer because the washer is making problem there. You can see the now washer is coming down because so the thrust arm end is coming down. Use a small screwdriver and I am using a ratchet to hammer. Yeah, now it's coming out perfectly. You can see this washer was locking there. Here we have the new one. You can see LI, it means left side. Also older one is there. Also we need to replace the right side also. You can see RE mark there. Also we have new nut with thread locking paste. You can see green color there. It is the thread locking paste. When heat up, it will be act like a gum. So the bolt and the nut thread will lock up. So we before removing we have to clean perfectly, or it will be make big trouble, the thread locking paste. Now I am fixing back to the slot. Now I going to fix the nut. Now I am going to tighten the nut by using a combination. I'll tighten little, then after fixing the other end I will tighten it again. We need to tighten it perfectly. So the nut and this bolt is turning together, so I need to lock the bolt by using a 40 milling, and here I'm using a 40 milling, also a small extension and a big ratchet to lock the bolt. And to tighten the nut I'm using a 24 combination spanner. It's tight there. Now it's not moving. So after fix the other end I will tighten it again to the maximum. Now I'm going to fix the other end. It's not going inside, so I'm turning the steering knuckle little. Yeah, now it's going. No, the wheel speed sensor is locking there, so I just removed the wheel speed sensor from the that position. Now it's going well. I am going to fix the wheel bolt. No, I am going to fix the bolt, long bolt. Also don't forget the washer. Both end have washers. Here is the washer for one end. Other end I already put the washer. Now I'm using again a ring spanner 21 and 2 tight. Also I'm using 18 hazard and a gun, air gun. After using air gun, after finishing the job, I will check the torque by using a torque wrench. So tight as your how as your experience. It's already good tight now. So now I'm going to tighten the other end again, because last time I did not tight well. It's need a little more tight. So I'm using a 21 spanner, also a hammer to tight to maximum. I know somebody is using a big pipe for better leverage, but I don't like. I feel using big pipe is little dangerous, so I always this also dangerous, but I I like to use this method. Now I need to fix the wheel speed sensor in the slot. Yeah, need to fix the port also. Already almost this radius rod fixing and fixing is finished already, so need to fix the panels. If you like this video, please subscribe my YouTube channel and share.